We'll push it from Root. Going to be 4. Thought he had that covered, but no. Over the top it goes. More runs. So an expensive start for Behrendorff. He's always taken the first 5 this season. So Hipman back into the side and straight away greeted with runs down the leg side. Drive straight and hard, and he will get 4 through long off.
It's been a brilliant start for Trent Rockets here.
With the offside now he goes. Root is away. A confidence booster for one of the best in the world. 28 on the board. Straying on the legs. And the form that he's showing today, he's going to put that away all day long. So Curran's got to correct. Lovely. We had the 2 fielders up straight and an opportunity for runs to that boundary. He takes it. Sam Curran is greeted with runs as well.
Oh, is that one?
Oh, that's got to be close. Real close. No, says Martin Saggers.
And that's what Rashid Khan does. In most teams that he plays in around the world, he comes on and makes an impact straight away. And there was a bit of a celeb appeal there. Stuart Broad would be very proud of that one. And you can see Sam Billings immediately goes for the review. Tom Banton has to go. Trent Rockets lose their first wicket.
Umpire decision not out. Hawkeye out, outcome out. Martin, I can ask you to change your decision to out, please.
Yeah. Right decision is eventually given to send it upstairs. Down the wicket from Joe Root, looking to go big, and does so. Our first 6 of the men's game, and it's off the bat of Joe Root. 35 balls, 65 for 1. Brilliant. Poise and precision. 2 adjectives you associate with the class of Joe Root. It's his second 50 in the 100. This is then elevated. Goes away from Root. Not happy with that.
Play a big part in this game.
Well, there it is. The slower ball from Sam Curran.
Hard through the offside. Will Jacks is very athletic and quick. Try and break this partnership. That is why he's into the attack, and that has been absolutely dismissed by Rehan Ahmed.
Rashid Khan immediately put his hand up in apology and bowled his first 10 brilliantly.
Pulls him again, but doesn't pull him up for 6, pulls him for 4. So 6-4, Rashid Khan under pressure. Caught and bowled, brilliant, absolutely stunning. Nathan Sow to take a bow, that was hit with immense power, brilliant.
The Invincibles needed that. Rehan was just beginning to find his rhythm and find the boundary. A big moment in the game to dismiss him. Into the circle.
Slower ball. Classy shot from Joe Root. Short again. Smash this time. Not behind square. High up in the air. Jacks has another opportunity. This time safely pouched. A far simpler chance. He's still spewing about the one that he overran, but he's taken that one. So 3 down now, Trent Rockets for 1-2-2 from 75.
I think Joe Root check it down the ground.
Yeah! Bowled in. The recent pass. Shot, pulled away, and done nicely. A 6 to David Willey. Another one attempted, but this time deep mid-wicket, coming running in and takes it comfortably on the oval team. Short ball, has he found the gap? Yes, he has. Rashid Khan straight away signaling the boundary. The umpires will go upstairs to check. Went for the wide Yorker, and nicely done by George Linde. That's about as flat a 6 as you're going to get.
Over for the Rockets.
The slow one, picks it, and hits it straight into the crowd. George Linde got his second 6 in a couple of balls now. Bowls it wide. And Linde found another boundary again. That looks straight. And Nigel Long says, yes, it is.
Okay, ball's pitching outside off stump. If we can go back to Nigel on field, stand by. To not out, please, Nigel. Thank you.
This is exactly the reason why Marcus Stoinis asked for the DRS. He believed it could be pitching outside leg stump. Short one. George Linde says, I'm not having that. Take it. Another 6 here.
Well, he did go straight into the pitch, straight into the middle of his bat, and straight into the stands
Today. And he has gone for the Yorker, but a bit of a top edge and long off coming in. And a simple catch by Jordan Cox. Nailing the Yorker yet again, Tom Curran. And a run out as well. Great work from Jordan Cox here. Oval Invincibles, giving nothing away at the back end of the game. And a lovely celebration to top it off.
Well, it's certainly a new celebration. The crowd have enjoyed it, and so has Jordan Cox. A little bit confusion here from Marcus Stoinis. Clearly 2 is called. Sam Hain then sends him back, but a direct hit.
Another Yorker, really well done by Tom Curran. A good finish for the Oval.
Well, a touch wider from Willie, and Tawanda Miyeye climbs into this first boundary. Well, down the ground, Will Jacks looks to be dominant. Well, down the ground from Tawanda Miyeye, chipped, couple of bounces, picks up a welcome boundary for the Oval Invincibles. Well, offside this time from Miyeye, really good. The drop, significant drop in temperature, brilliant from Willie, brilliant, simple catch. Does Tawanda Miyeye, all ends up after conceding 2 boundaries, 9 required.
Excellent knuckleball from David Willie. You could just see his fingers pull back on the ball there, and it just stumped Miyeye. Unusual dismissal. It's gone straight up, and David Willie takes the catch and then tries to run him out. Why not? Brilliant from David Willie. Power play wicket tally continues to grow.
Oh, top edge. Going to be a chance. And out. Max Holden at deep square leg.
Right position, then had to make a move, and a late adjustment as well was also required. But he's done nicely. Kept his eyes on the ball all the way though.
Big shot. And that's 6. Beautifully played. 1 bounce, 4. Big shot. Has he got all of it? Yes, he has.
That might be one of them. That is fiercely hit down the ground. top edge, that's going to fly away. All the way above the dugouts and into the crowd. That commentator review. Helped away this time by Sam Curran. All the way for 6. Smoked. That sounded magnificent. What a set of 5. Sounding good again. Another one. Oval are fighting back in the most spectacular fashion. Offside, protection. Not in the way though. Sam Curran with a good ball here. Gone away. Smoked away. 6. Fabulous batting. And it's a no ball. They're checking. But he's changed the angle around the wicket. Wow. This is simply incredible. A boo from the crowd as it's hit down the ground. They'll think about scampering for 2. Oh, it's going to be very close. A direct hit, definitely. Jordan Cox was out. He's given the thumbs up to Sam Curran. He thinks he's okay.
Okay, let's just run it through. Okay, the bat's in. Yeah, I'm ready with my decision.
Yeah. Sort of behind square, saving 1. Bowls a full toss. He's pinged it. Has he pinged it for 6? It's hit the boundary cushion on the full, I think, but they'll check it. Linder had been so good in that first 5. Even he's feeling the pressure now. Edged away. And it's going to be edged away for 4. Well, that was the line that Linder was bowling in the first 5 that Curran couldn't get away. But he's got that through down to 3rd, and he goes to 53 off just 22 balls.
What a massive twist in the tail.
In the air, chance. And taken. Really good catch from Sam Cook. An even better innings from Sam Curran comes to an end. Rockets really needed this wicket. Ahmed into the attack. Sam Curran ultimately will be a bit disappointed he's not pulled that one into the stands as well. Powerfully struck. 10 rows back. Reverse scoop. Looked like there's going to be a chance for a moment. That'll be 50 for Jordan Cox, pushing for 2, won't get it. But the single brings up a wonderful half century. He's a man in form.
Yeah, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Slight top edge, I think, but sails miles back. Another 6.
Well, and Donovan Ferreira.
Goodbye. 6 more.
Well, the one-way traffic continues.
Powerfully struck. And a brilliant catch. The ground was stunned into silence.
Well, it was hit that hard. I'm not sure many people saw it.
Good bit of bowling. But it's gone for 4. On the cover boundary. 3 needed. And that could be it. Beats Max Holden on the boundary, and a famous victory for the Oval Invincibles. The 2nd highest successful chase here at the Oval in the 100. And done with ease. 11 balls left.
Incredible. This is an incredible win. Possibly one of the best comebacks we've ever seen in the 100 tournament. They needed 102 from the final 40.